Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Will Hub tool is probably one of the most useful tools you'll ever own, especially if you're a car enthusiast who enjoys DIY projects or a professional mechanic working on various vehicles. This tool makes removing and installing will hubs significantly easier, saving you time and preventing potential damage to your vehicle's components. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and using the right will hub removal tool for your needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient process every time. Number 5. Orion 9-way slide hammer puller. This 9-way slide hammer puller set tackles various pulling tasks with ease. It's perfect for removing rear axles, front wheel hubs, and more. It comes with both 2-jaw and 3-jaw pullers, giving you the right tool for internal or external work on bearings, gears, and seals. Made from durable carbon steel and chrome vanadium steel, it's tough enough to handle years of use. It's also resistant to rust and cracking. Even beginners can use this kit. Detailed instructions and diagrams make even complex jobs simple. It includes a protective carrying case and a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. We're confident you'll love it. What we like. It's a multi-purpose tool, suitable for various pulling tasks. Its robust build ensures longevity, even with frequent use. If you need a reliable and comprehensive pulling solution for multiple applications, this is the one for you. What people say. Used this toolkit to pull the hub on my Kia Soul front hub, worked out great. Fantastic quality. I've been gathering used made-in-USA bearing pullers and gear separators, mainly OTC branded or rebranded, some Craigslist, mostly eBay. There was gap in what I had. There's a lot that can be done with a slide hammer puller. After seeing the reviews and checking some details for this OMT Orion set, which is a duplicate of OTC 4579, and seeing that it was on sale, I decided to give it a try. The fit and finish on everything looks great. The edges on the inner-outer bearing puller fingers are crisp. This worked perfectly. Needed to get a wheel hub off a 2019 Camry. Had to get mean with it, but after 10 to 15 whacks with the slide hammer, boom, it's off. The set has a number of options with it. Works get for the DIYer who needs it once in a while. Number 4. 8629 Will Hub Removal Tool. Removing wheel hubs can be tough, but this tool makes it safer and easier. It's designed to prevent axle damage and save you time. This kit comes with all the necessary flange bolts to handle various hub types. You'll have everything you need for the job. It's simple to use. Just attach it to the hub, give it a few taps with a hammer, and watch the hub come loose. It's made from strong, durable materials, ensuring it will stand up to the toughest jobs and provide long-lasting performance. This versatile tool works with 5, 6, and 8 lug hubs, making it suitable for a wide range of vehicles. This tool helps you remove hub assemblies quickly and safely, minimizing the risk of damage to your vehicle. What we like. This tool makes removing wheel hubs significantly faster and easier. It comes with plenty of bolts to handle various situations. If you prioritize speed and simplicity in hub removal, this is a great option. What people say. Makes removable possible in a home environment, and at a marginal expense versus a dealership or garage. The tool worked like a charm, very satisfied. I came across this tool in a YouTube video and figured I'd add it to the arsenal, but I fully expected it to be useless and something I had to return. 6 hits with my mini sledge and I couldn't believe my eyes. There was separation. 2 more hits and the hub completely detached, as you see in the picture. I stood there for a moment in utter disbelief. A job that had previously taken 2 days was now going to be completed in 2 hours. Number 3. Wheel Hub Removal Tool. This innovative tool makes removing stubborn wheel hubs a breeze. It's designed to quickly and easily remove hubs without damaging your axle. It fits a wide range of vehicles, including Chevy, Dodge, GMC, and Ford, and works with 5, 6, and 8 lug axles. Its sturdy steel construction ensures lasting durability. This tool provides a secure and effective way to loosen and remove stuck wheel hubs. The 3/4-inch steel backing plate ensures stability and prevents damage. It's a perfect replacement for part number 8629, offering the same fit, function, and quality as the original equipment manufacturer's part, but at a better price. Save valuable time and money with this tool. It's designed for easy use and comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. We stand behind our product. If it fails, simply contact us for a replacement. It's that simple. What we like. It's compatible with a wide range of vehicles and its sturdy steel construction ensures durability. The lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. If you want a long-lasting, widely compatible tool with excellent support, this is the best choice. What people say. Perfect fit on 2011 Expedition Max. Was clear as day once I had the truck off the ground. What IWE was bad. Made a ratcheting noise when you would spin the tire. Easy fix. Disconnect upper ball joint. Disconnect the tie rod. Unbolt AB sensor line. Unbolt single axle nut under dust cap. Unbolt IWE. Push-pull axle shaft out of hub with the IWE. Clean everything up. And install new one. Make sure to wire wheel or wire brush the threads on the ball joint and the tie rod so the nuts come off and not seize and spin. Product works very well on a 2015 Subaru Forester rear wheel bearings. The set of nuts didn't fit the Subaru. I used 2 wheels nuts with the washers included. Couples of hits with the sledge bearing was out. This IWE fit my 2006 F-150 as expected. The ISBN is B07543QL6W. It looks identical to the removed part minus corrosion and wear. The included grease packet was sufficient to coat the teeth and lube the new hub assembly that was installed at the same time. So far the pair is working after about 300 miles and 3 weeks. Number 2. Astro 78834 Hub Removal Kit. Are your wheel hubs stuck? It happens. This kit makes removing them easier. It's designed for those tough situations where other methods fail. These impact-rated bolts are built to withstand the force needed to remove even the most stubborn hubs. They're tough enough for the job. The kit includes bolts with both M12 and M14 threads to fit a variety of vehicles. You'll have the right size for the job. Installation is simple. Just use the existing holes in your hub or remove a wheel stud or 2 to install the press bolts. It features a ball bearing end and press feet that allow it to work against uneven knuckles and dust shields. It adapts to the challenges. This kit provides the leverage and strength to remove those stubborn wheel hubs. Save time and frustration. What we like. These impact-rated bolts are designed for tough, stubborn hubs. The unique design allows for easy installation and adaptability to various knuckle assemblies. If you're tackling extremely difficult hub removal, this specialized kit is your best bet. What people say. It worked brilliantly. Took me less than 10 minutes to pull the hub assembly after removing all the fasteners and it was in there good. It saves the hassle of figuring out and finding the right sizes of hardened hardware for your application. The nuts are oversized, 3/4, 19 mm, which makes things easier. The caps are actually useful and kept the bolts from trying to kick out. With this tool, all I had to do was knock out one of the 5-wheel studs and insert one of the Astro bolts. I also used copious amounts of Mobile 1 red grease on the bolt, nut and ball tip, to ensure no cross-thread, and lined up at 12 o'clock on the knuckle. Hit it with my 1-2 electric impact wrench and the hub pulled free in less than 3 seconds. Number 1. 8629 Wheel Hub Removal Tool. This tool makes removing stubborn wheel hubs a breeze. It's designed to work on various axle types, saving you time and effort. It fits all axle-bolted hubs, regardless of whether they have 5, 6, or 8 lugs. No need to worry about compatibility issues. This tool safely removes even the most frozen hub assemblies without damaging your axles. It's quick and easy to use. It features a 2 to 5 8-inch center-to-center hole pattern, a 3/4-inch steel backing plate, and a reinforced striking plate for lasting durability. Built to last. Simply mount it to the studs using the provided flange nuts and use a 5-pound hammer to knock out the hub. You'll be amazed at how much time and energy it saves. This tool is well worth the money, paying for itself quickly with the time and effort it saves. Get yours today. What we like. This tool ensures safe and efficient hub removal without axle damage. Its universal design fits many vehicles. If you value a safe, efficient, and time-saving solution, this is the ideal tool for you. What people say. Gear puller. Obvious. Strong. No need to install. Easy to use, is you order this product you probably know how to use it. Removal was also easy. Has worked every time. Gets the job done with minimum fuss. Even worked on a Subaru that spent most of its life in a place where roads get salted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.